You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Thank God, Iyabo Ojo, the producer of the movie, is a friend of mine. We've been a friend for a very long time. And I've been one of the cast in the movie. I'm so excited because the movie is a very nice movie under the carpet. The storyline was wow, you know. So you watch the movie, you can see the actors and actresses, all the cast and crew in the movie. They are perfect people. They are the ones that know how to, how to do this movie world and everything we're talking about. So my character in the movie is just like a friend to the MD of a company that is having an issue with his people or in the office. So I'm trying to calm him down and tell him this is how things is, this is how life is, But the guy is not ready to listen to me. But at the end of the day, don't let me just tell you the story here. Go and watch the movie Under the Carpet so you will understand what I'm talking. Shamo, Shamo. Oh yeah. Gba gbà 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 lè ilá bàkà bá wa sí látò Ijebu ṣáàmù gbà. Pasuma.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.